Here's a short video of the Amada Coma punch press, a 50-50-50 machine that we have for sale. It's got an upgraded servo package from original. The turret has been rebuilt. I worked at the company that we got this machine from, and maintenance on it was good. They upgraded to some newer machines, and we bought it for a job that never materialized. So we had it set up, we had it running, but we never actually used it. It's a 44 station turret with a auto index station. The controller still works. Got a computer that goes with it. Overall, it was